Next, let's take a look at how does procurement management work. Procurement management. How it works. There are 4 main areas of concern which should be focused whenever procurement process is involved. They are purchasing or renting, analyze type requirements, call for bids, selecting the suppliers. Let us look at each in detail. Purchasing or renting. All goods and services required by an organization need not be purchased from outside. A careful analysis should be made on the pros and cons of purchasing or renting these goods and services. It is important for the organization to check whether it would be cost-effective in the long run. Analyze your requirements. It is important for the organization to analyze their exact requirements and consider various options. Although there may be more suppliers, an organization should collaborate with the supplier which best suits them. An organization can also use a selection criteria to select the best provider. Call for bids. The next stage is to call for bids, where different suppliers will provide you with quotes. This is quite similar to choosing projects, where the organization needs to analyze different criteria and finally decide the supplier. Selecting the suppliers. Selecting the best suppliers is the next stage after the evaluation process. After selecting the suppliers, both the organization and the supplier needs to discuss what should be written in the contract. Financing terms, payment mode, etc. are important, and it needs a mention in the contract to avoid confusion in the future.